If your debit card is declined on CashApp, it can happen for several reasons. Here are the common causes and steps to resolve them. Insufficient funds. Ensure that you have enough balance in your linked debit account to cover the transaction. If your account has insufficient funds, the payment will be declined. Incorrect card details. Double check that you've entered the correct card number, expiration date, CVV and billing address associated with the card. Even small errors can lead to a decline. Blocked or restricted card. Your bank or card issuer may have temporarily blocked or restricted your card. This can happen for various reasons, such as suspicious activity or an expired card. Contact your bank for clarification. CashApp card not set as default. If you're trying to make a payment using a linked card and not the CashApp card, ensure that the linked debit card is properly set as the default payment method. Card not supported. Some debit cards may not be supported by CashApp. Ensure your card is Visa or MasterCard and is eligible for online transactions. Security or fraud prevention. CashApp or your bank may block payments as a fraud prevention measure. If this happens, contact CashApp or your bank to resolve the issue.